If you're like me, you've wanted to weigh your car before, but the only viable options out there are $800 or more. I've come up with a plan using 4 bathroom scales I purchased off Amazon and some extra wood I had laying around to build my own. I want to show you how. Let's get started. So these are the scales. This is what they look like. I'm a little disappointed. These come with a glass front. I was really hoping that this was metal when I was looking at the pictures on Amazon, but I think we can make the glass one work. It does come with the included batteries, which is awesome, great, and that's a lot of scale for $9 in my opinion. Alright, well that went flawlessly. This is a setup. Under 3 tires, we've got spacers, and on the 4th tire, we've got 4 scales and a piece of wood. The idea being the tires will sit on each one. The spacers will keep the car completely level, as it would be. And with this here, putting weight on it should activate the 4 scales, and voila! We know the weight of one corner. Then you just jack up either the front or the back of the car, switch them out, bada bing, bada boom, add them together, you got the weight of your car, and you also have the weight of each corner.
Yeah, you're good. It's sliding quite a bit here, dude. And the scale shut off. Start the recording right now. Okay, you're good.
Where are they staying this time?
Wow, that was.
Okay, so now we've crunched the numbers and let's take a look at what we got. So the grand total here, if we just want to cut to that, 2,885.8 pounds. How did we get there? If we take a look at each corner, let's start here with the driver's front. We added the weight of the four scales, a 2.0, etc. on down. Came up with a total of 768.8. Subtracted the weight of the wood apparatus, 13.4 pounds, and that's how we came up with our corner weights. By adding corners, front, and rear, we get our front and rear numbers. Adding those together, we come to our grand total, 2,885. So what did you think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. Comment. Up, down, subscribe, if you please. Bell, all the stuff I'm supposed to say. Also, if you love the car, wait for the upcoming videos of Project Leonard. I've got plans for this thing. Big plans. And remember, no one's completely useless. You can always serve as a bad example. See ya!
If you're like me, you always wanted to do an intro. Your parents always say you can't. I am so silly. Well, sometimes they say yes, but most of them say no. I wish I could do an intro. We just put a car and wood on top of glass. It was hilarious and cool, but so stupid. I didn't like it.